Good morning. How are you? Yes, I think you are all fine, right? Okay, and you're ready to listen to online classes, right? Okay. So, what did we study in our last class? Yes, we studied about personal pronouns and possessive adjectives, right? I think you are all very much thorough in that portion, right? Okay. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercises based on this. Okay. Okay. So I won't complete everything in the exercise. I'll just start with 2 or 3 examples. I'll just explain it how to do it. Okay. And the remaining portion you have to do as homework. Okay. Ready? Okay. Then I have told you that you want to write the home test, right? So by today evening I'll send you the home test paper and question paper, and you have to send me tomorrow. Okay, I think you all were ready for the test, right? Okay, now we shall enter today's portion. Yes, this is what we studied. Okay, so this is the tabular column. I told you to study, right? You should know about it, right? Okay, so when it comes to first person singular, yeah, that is I. What's a pronoun? Mine. And adjective, my. We studied, right? And second person singular and plural, you. And third person female, she. Third person male, he. The third person neutral, it. And first plural, we. And third plural, they. This is what we studied, right, in our last class. And for these things, when it comes for pronoun, we have to use these words. And for adjectives, we have to use this kind of words: my, your, her, his, its, are, there, right? So we studied in our last class, right? Okay, now shall we start with exercises? Yeah, shall we start? Okay, so the first exercise we are going to do: complete the sentence with possessive adjectives. Okay, it's in your page number 20. Okay, okay, yeah, complete the sentences with possessive adjectives. So we have studied possessive adjectives, right? Yeah, here we studied, right? In the third column, yeah, these are all possessive adjectives, right? Shall we start? Okay, now we shall see the first question. Yeah, Sita combs dash hair neatly and washes it twice every week. Okay, Sita combs dash hair neatly and washes it twice every week. So we should complete the sentence with possessive adjectives. So Sita is first person, second person, or third person? Third person, right? We are pointing some girl and saying Sita, right? So this is third person. So for third person adjective, third person possessive adjective we want to find, right? So third person possessive, and Sita is a girl, right? Sita is a girl or a boy? She's a girl. So third person female, right? Okay, so we should fill it with possessive adjectives. Yeah, see here in the tabular column, a third person female is she, right? Yeah, so the adjective is, yeah, let me take the pen. Okay, so yeah, this is third person female, and the possessive adjective for third person female is her, right? Okay, now see the question. Sita is the third person and we have to fill it with possessive adjective. So what's the answer? Her, right? I think you can understand it, right? Okay, shall we move to the next question? Okay, this is the way you have to find the answers. Okay, then see here, B. I am talking to dash friends. I will come home in the evening. Okay, I am talking to dash friends. I will come home in the evening. So I is a, yes, here I is the first person, second person, or third person? First person, right? So for first person, what is the adjective we have to use? Yeah, go see your tabular column. For first person singular. First person singular means I is the first person singular. So we have to add the possessive adjective. So what's it? Did you see the tabular column? Yes, you have to memorize the tabular column. Okay. Okay, see here I am talking to my My. I am talking to my friends. I will come home in the evening. Okay, I think you have understood, right? Now we shall see the next question. Yeah, here this is the third question. Please keep dash eyes open. I need to put the eye drops. Okay, so here we are pleading to someone. So who is that? So I is the first person and we are talking to someone, and that person is third person, right? If you're pointing to someone and saying, then it is third person. Sorry, second person. Okay, yeah, that is third person. We are pointing and saying about someone, then it is third person. If we are talking to someone, the person to whom we are talking is second person, right? So here, please keep dash eyes open. I need to put the eye drops. So this I is talking to someone and saying, please keep dash eyes open. Like that, it's asking. So what is the second person? Here singular, right? Yeah, second person singular. What's the adjective for second person singular? Go search in your tabular column. Yes, what is this? Second person singular or plural, it may be you only. So what is the pronoun adjective for second person? Your, right? Okay, so what will come here? Please keep your eyes open. I need to put the eye drops. Okay, can you understand? Yes. Now see the fourth question. May we take dash notebooks, madam? Okay, so here may we means not one person, one maybe two or three. Okay, so may we take dash notebooks, madam? So asking to madam. Okay, may we. Okay, so what should come here? So this is first person, right? First person talking to madam. First person here, first person singular or first person plural? If I is given, then it is first person singular. So this is given as we, right? So we means first person plural. Already I have told you, no, you have to write it in your in the last class I have told you, right? Near the tabular column you have to write. Did you write, everyone? Then it will be easy for you. That's why I told you to write. Okay, so may we is first person plural. So for this first person plural, what is the adjective? Our is the adjective, right? Yeah, so our is the answer. May we take our notebooks, madam? Okay, so this is the answer. So you should write, you should follow this way and you have to find the answers for the remaining questions. Okay, okay, will you do? Yes, it's very easy, right? I think you can do. So before going into the next question, once again I am showing you the tabular column. You just please pause the video and you have to write it in your book. Okay, only then it will be. I don't know whether you have written or not. That's why I am showing you for the second time. Okay. Okay, see here, this is the tabular column, and in your book it's given first person singular, second singular or plural, third female, third male, third neutral, first person plural, third person plural. Near that you have to write this one. Okay, so that is this I, you, she, he, it, we. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, already in the last class I have pointed it, right? So this is the thing you have to write near. That first singular, second singular, third female, it's given in your book, right? In your page number 19 it's given. So if you write, if you using these words, you can find out. Okay, that's why I have given. Yeah, see here in the exercises. Yeah, Sita is a what? Zeta is third person female. That's why we have to give her. Like that we can find out. That's why I have given you the video, tabular column. Please write. Okay, you have to pass the video and you have to write. Last class even I have informed you, right? I think you have written. Anyway, once again I have shown you. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we shall go to the next part. Shall we move? Okay. So the next is complete the following sentences using personal pronouns. Okay. So in the previous exercise, we have completed the sentences with possessive adjectives, and now we are going to complete the sentences with personal pronouns. Okay, yeah, here is the first question. My pencil is not sharp. Can I borrow dash? In bracket it is given your pencil. Okay, okay, so your pencil. Okay, so this your is the adjective, right? Your pencil. your pencil, right? Your pencil is given, and for this your, what is the pronoun? You can see in the tabular column. Yeah, what is the pronoun? We should use yours, right? Okay, can you understand? If you are very thorough with the tabular column, then it will be easy for you. That's why I have told you to study the tabular column. Okay, now to the next question. His computer is working well, but dash in the bracket her computer has stopped working. Okay, so his computer is working well, but we are showing to some other one person. Okay, her computer, we are pointing to someone, the third person, right? Her computer has stopped working. So here her is an adjective. So what is the pronoun we have to use here? What is the pronoun we have to use here? What is there in the pronoun? Hers, right? Can you understand me? Yes. Okay, so the third question. His dog is not really naughty, but dash, in bracket it is given my dog, takes most of my attention. Okay, so his dog is not really, showing to someone we are saying his dog is not really naughty, but my dog, for my is an adjective, right? Okay, so for my dog, so for that, what is the pronoun it's given? Yes, what's given? Yes, you're right. Mine. Okay. So mine. His dog is not really naughty, but mine takes most of my attention. I think you have understood. The only thing you have to keep in your mind is the tabular column which is given in page number 19. If you are thorough with it, you can do all the exercises. Okay, ma? Okay. Now we shall move to the next part. Complete this dialogue using possessive adjective or personal pronoun. Okay, so for the first one we studied about possessive adjective and then personal pronoun, and now we have to complete the dialogues using possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. We should know which thing we have to use there. Okay, possessive adjective or possessive pronoun, according to that sentence we have to complete the dialogues. Okay, so here is the first dialogue. Raj. Okay, so it is given in your page number 20. Okay, so already when I am starting with the first exercise I have told you, right? Okay, Raj, who is this? Is this dash sister? Okay, so Raj is asking to Tom, right? Raj is asking to Tom, who is this? Is this dash sister? And Tom is saying, yes Raj, this is my sister. So the dash, this dash, okay, so the dash, someone is there now, so that is the sister of Tom, right? So this Raj is asking to Tom, is this, what will come there? Your sister, right? I'm so sorry, I have printed it mistakenly. Yeah, I have typed it mistakenly. Yes, my dear. Yeah, this is your. Okay, I'm so sorry. Not yours. Your. Okay. Yeah, not yours. Your. Okay. Okay. Who is this? This is this your sister? And Tom is saying, yes, Raj. This is my sister. Dash name is Susan. So the name of the sister is Susan. Okay. So this is a we should add informative word, right? So this is Susan is a girl. So what will come here? Her. Okay, so her name is Susan. And now Raj is saying, I have a brother. So brother means is a boy, right? So dash name is Dinesh. Now Raj is saying about his brother name. So what will come here? Boy, right? Third person male. Sorry, third yeah, third person male. What will come? His name, right? He's a boy, that's why we are using his. His name is Dinesh. He is a doctor. He likes dash profession because he is fond of serving the sick and the needy. So he likes whose profession? His own profession, right? So he likes his profession because he is fond of serving the sick and the needy. And then the Tom is saying, Susan works in a school. So Susan is a girl, right? Yeah, Susan works in a school. Dash school is in her own town. Whose school? That sister's school. So she's a girl, right? So what will come here? Her. Her school is in our town. She is a good teacher and takes good care of dash students. She is taking care of her own students. So what will come there? Her students. Okay. I think you have understood. understood. So you have to complete the remaining two is there, right? B and C, you have to complete B and C. Okay, and then now we are going to see the fourth one, that is in page number 21. Okay, read the sentences and write P if it shows for possession and C if it shows for contradiction. If it is a contradiction, insert an apostrophe. If it shows possession, avoid the usage of an apostrophe. Okay, so already we have studied in our last class about it and its and its, that is ITS. Yeah, that is the meaning for possessive adjective. And IT apostrophe S, that it's a contradiction of it is, right? When it is showing a possession, we have to write ITS, its, and if it is a contradiction to it is, then we have to write it apostrophe yes, right? We studied in our last class, right? Okay, now see here. Yeah, the first question. My car was bought in the year 2014. I changed its wheel recently. Okay, yeah, so it says here, so we are whose wheel? His own car's wheel, right? So this it is a possessive word, right? So whether it is correct or wrong, whether it is possessive or contradiction, it's a possessive, right? Its wheel, we are pointing and saying its wheel, right? I changed its wheel recently, right? Okay, so this is possession, so this is correct, right? So in the box you have to write it as P. Okay, P shows for possession, right? In the question itself we have read, right? Okay, now the second question. I borrowed this book from the library. It's better to return it in time. So here it is given. Is it showing any possession or contradiction? Possession or contradiction? It is contradiction. It is better to return in its time. That's the correct thing that should come here. So we have to add an apostrophe here. Only then it will be correct. So it is, I borrowed this book from the library. It is better to return it in time. Okay, this is not showing any possession. It's a contradiction. So we have to add apostrophe. Right? I think you have understood. Okay, so the remaining thing you have to do it as homework. Okay, now turn to page number 25. Yes, page number 25. Choose the correct answer. Okay, I dash compute, first question, dash computer is old but dash is new. So we have to find. Okay, yeah, so what will come here? Dash computer is old. So here every option it is starting with your, yours, your, yours. So first definitely should be your or yours, right? So yours computer is old or your computer is old. What will come? Your computer is old, but dash is new. Dash is new. We have to use a pronoun, right? Yes, right. So what was the answer here? Mine is new. Okay. So your computer is old but mine is new. Yeah. So the option is A. Okay. Now the second one. These workbooks are different. Dash has 300 pages but dash has only 200. So someone is showing to one workbook and saying these are different, and dash has 300. So this workbook has 300 pages. Okay. So we are pointing to someone. So we are saying to a second person, right? So here what should come? A pronoun should come. What pronoun will come? It is yours, right? So okay, yours. Okay, so these workbooks are different and dash and has 300 pages. So these workbooks are different. Yours has 300 pages but dash has only 200. So if it is come yours has 300 pages, then but dash has only 200. Mine, right? So the answer is A. Okay. The next question, Ramu has eaten his breakfast already, but I am going to have dash later in school. So Ramu, he has eaten his breakfast already. So he has completed his breakfast already, but I am going to have dash later. So I am going to have, okay, I myself is going to have dash later in school. So I will have my own breakfast, right? So what will come here, my or mine? So by seeing the question itself, we can definitely cut the first two option. So some my or mine will come. So we have to find whether my will come or mine will come. My or mine. So here we want to use the pronoun, right? Right? Instead of using our name, we have to use some pronoun. So here pronoun means what will come? My is an adjective and mine is a pronoun. So which word should come here? Yes, so mine will come, right? So D is the correct answer. Okay, Ramu has eaten his breakfast already, but I am going to have mine. Okay, mine later in school. Okay, I think you have understood. So I have given 3 as an example. Okay, so remaining you have to do, and you have to just send me the snapshot. Okay, so by today evening you want to write a test, right? Okay, so by today evening or sometime, if it is not possible, I'll give it by tomorrow morning. Okay, so or it may be, but after I'm giving the question paper, definitely if I am sending today evening, then you have to send me before tomorrow afternoon. Okay, I have given you long time, you should not copy. Okay, should not copy, you should write the test in front of your parents, and you have to get the signature of your parents. Okay, okay, and you have to send me the snapshot. Anyway, you complete this also. After writing the home test, you just complete this. Okay, okay, anyway, you are patiently sitting and listening to my classes. So if you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay, don't hesitate to call me. If you have any doubt, you can just call me. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Bye bye.